Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. As you know, to solve all your tiffin problems, we are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today we are making vermicelli cutlets. Vermicelli is like the Indian version of noodles. And noodles किस बच्चे को नहीं पसंद? So चलो देखें कैसे बनाएं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. So चलो बनाएं कटलेट. I'm going to heat some oil while I assemble the cutlets. To start making the cutlets, take 1 cup boiled vermicelli. I have drained all the water from it. Mashed potatoes, grated carrot, finely chopped capsicum, some boiled and mashed peas, some breadcrumbs, salt, pepper powder, and some cheese. Mix it together well. Let's add the Kissan Tomato Ketchup now. The Kissan Tomato Ketchup adds a beautiful color to the dish and makes it very appetizing for the kids. Now let's shape the cutlets. So now let's fry the cutlets. Once they are brown on one side, flip them. Our cutlets are now done. Let's pack our tiffin now. Some cashews and papaya. I hope I have solved your tiffin worry for today. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Like and share this video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you कैसे बनाते हैं हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.